Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Entra ID for secure insurance app single sign-on, full guide step-by-step clearly. Begin by logging into the Microsoft Entra Admin Center using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Identity section on the left-hand menu. Select Enterprise Applications from the available options. Click on the New Application button at the top of the screen. Search for your insurance application in the application gallery. Choose the application from the results and click Add. After adding the application, navigate to the Single Sign-On section in the application settings. Select the method of single sign-on you wish to configure, such as SAML or OpenID Connect. If you choose SAML, download the SAML metadata file provided. Return to your app settings and enter the required SAML information such as the identifier and reply URL. Ensure you set up the appropriate claims like email, name, and roles for successful authentication. For OpenID Connect, copy the necessary endpoints such as the authorization and token URLs. Configure these endpoints in your insurance application settings. After completing the configurations, save your settings in Entra. Now, navigate to the Users and Groups section to assign users to the application. Click on Add User to select the users or groups who will access the application. Confirm the assignments and review all settings to ensure accuracy. To test the configuration, open your insurance app and initiate a sign-on process. If successful, you should be redirected to the Entra sign-in page. Enter the credentials for one of the assigned users to verify functionality. Once signed in, check if you are redirected back to the insurance app successfully. If any issues arise, review the app registration and claims configuration. Make adjustments as needed to resolve any errors. Finally, document your configurations for future reference and audits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.